Hello everyone, how are you today? So today I want to talk about who are you, your identity in the Lord, the God Almighty. There's a saying that the rights you do not know you cannot claim. A few days ago I talked about knowing God's purpose in your life. Then I thought about it that can someone who does not even know himself understand the idea of purpose? Because it must come from inside out. Who am I? Socrates mentioned, know thyself. The fundamental substance towards purpose in this world is your self-awareness. The awareness of who you are, your sense of self. Are you self-aware? Do you know that you are a person? Do you have the idea of yourself in the world? It's a very vital question to ask towards growth. Do you know your identity? Where is your identity? Personally, my identity is found in God, the sovereign God. So I know that ilé ayé tilẹ̀ korò tó, bó tiẹ̀ lélẹ̀ tó. I know who I am. I know myself. Mo mọ ibi tí mo ti ṣẹ̀ wá. Mo mọ èèyàn tó rán mi. Mo mọ ibi tí mò ń lọ. Mo mọ ara mi. Even though it's a continuous process, but I know myself. And that will keep on making me grounded no matter what. Knowing yourself will give you that sense of your belonging. It will not make you fall for everything. Self-awareness. Let's look at the story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. When they were in that furnace, in that fire, in that burning fire, they said, even if God will not come to save them, that sentence they made signified that they know who they are. Even if God will not come to save them, they will still not deny this very God. Tí Ọlọ́run bá tiẹ̀ ní gbà wá. Who are you? Ta ni ẹ́? Wo ara ẹ. Look closely into the mirror. Ask yourself, èèyàn tó ń rí ní mirror, is that the same person you perceive yourself to be? You know, báwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń wò wá nígbà míì, ó máa ń yàtọ̀ sí bá a ṣe ń wòra wa. Nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe máa rí èèyàn mìta ní táwọn èèyàn á máa sà tí wọ́n á máa kì í nígboro. But nínú tiẹ̀ kò ríra ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Torí ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe rí ọmọ mi, very brilliant, very futuristic, very amazing, very wonderful, doing well in life. But he doesn't see himself, herself in that lens. So ìgbà míì, báyé ṣe rí ẹ kọ́ ni ìwọ ṣe ń ríra ẹ̀. Ni mo ṣe ń béèrè pé yàtọ̀ sí nǹkan táwọn ayé ń pè ẹ́, Mr. and Mrs. Doctor, Barrister, kìnìkan, and many chief, His Excellency, my Lord. Àbí bí ìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣe ń kí ẹ, bí àwọn ọmọ ẹ ṣe lọ́mọ oníléeṣẹ́. Yàtọ̀ sí àwọn yẹn, àbí o jẹ́ security guard, o jẹ́ cleaner, àbí o ń ṣiṣẹ́ anywhere. Yàtọ̀ sí identity yẹn, báwo ni ìwọ fúnra ẹ ṣe ríra ẹ? Kí n sọ àpẹẹrẹ kan fún yín. There were a point in my life tí mo ṣe sales girl. Adó ni mo ti ṣe sales girl ńgbà yẹn, Adó Èkìtì. For sometimes mo ṣe sales girl. Ìgbà yẹn mo ti ṣe OND mi ò, mo ní OND result o. Mo lọ ṣe sales girl for 8,000 naira. Níbi roundabout opposite post office rather, that roundabout. Táwọn èèyàn bá ti ń pè mí ọmọ ìyá oníbra kìnìkan, you know, sales girl now. But èmi ò ríra mi bí sales girl o. Èmi ríra mi bí ẹni tó jẹ́ pé ayé ṣì ń fì sígbá ó ń fì sáwò, ayé ń fì mí síwájú ó ń fì mí sẹ́yìn. Like those are the moments I have to pass through láti dé ibi tí mò ń lọ. Yes. Èèyàn mi á máa wò mí láwò sunkún, èmi wo ara mi láwò rẹ́rìn. Yes, I went through a lot of stuff in life, but because of my self-awareness, they never break me. When I left the convent, for instance, a lot of people talk to me. Tó ṣe kúrò ní convent yẹn, Ọlọ́run ti bínú sí ẹ, ò ní rọ́kọ, ò ní ṣoríire mọ́. I was just laughing because the perception such a person has of me is not what I see myself. Can you see the different game now? Tẹ́mi ṣe ríra mi, either mo wà convent o, either mo wà nínú ayé o, èmi á dé ibi tó yẹ kí n dé. Àyànmọ́ ni, orí ni, kádàrá ni. Lábẹ́ bó ṣe wò ó rí, màá dé ibi tí màá dé. So báwo lo ṣe ríra ẹ? Because of distraction, láti dé ibi ìṣeré àti ògo, you have to be very focused. Tó bá wá mọra ẹ kọ́, gbogbo nǹkan tí Táyé bá sọ, tí Kẹ́hìndé bá sọ, tí Tẹ̀mẹ̀dù bá sọ lá máa affect emotion ẹ because o ò mọra ẹ. Ìwọ tó mọ̀ pé láyé wàá ṣoríire, ìwé yẹn o fẹ́ kà, but èèyàn kan ti ń sọ fún ẹ pé ìwọ tó ò mọ̀wé, tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ríra ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé á lóòótọ́ mi mà mọ̀wé, you may regret that decision later because you will not be able to forge ahead. Who are you? There are ways to go about this to know yourself. Self-reflection. Self-reflection. Sit with yourself. Think about yourself. Look at your past. Look at your future and your present. Self-meditation. Sit down. A lot of people run away from meditation. Sit with yourself. Ṣorí tó bá ríra ẹ, wàá sunkún gbà mí because your dark side ń gbà mí. You be like ṣé èmi náà lílé. Òun èèyàn mi ò ṣe kí n like láti jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ara ẹ̀, láti ronú jinlẹ̀ pé irú èèyàn wo gan ni mo jẹ́. Èèyàn mi burú, kò fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀. Òun fúnra ẹ̀ gan ò mọ̀ pé òun burú because kò tí ì rò rí, kò tí ì jókòó láti rò pé mo burú. You have to be able to sit with yourself. Then accept. Like be truthful to yourself. Tó bá rí àwọn àrídàkan, èdè ọmọ ni mo lò. Tó bá rí àwọn àrídàkan nípa ara ẹ̀, tó rí àwọn truth kan nínú nǹkan tó rí nípa ara ẹ̀, accept it. Má parọ́ fúnra ẹ̀. You know you can lie to everybody, but you can never lie to yourself. And if you choose to lie to yourself, you regret it. Ask yourself, nǹkan tí mo rí, má parọ́ fúnra ẹ̀. Then after that, you can work towards growth. Tó bá rí pé eléyìí tí ò dáa, wàá wá ṣe àtúnṣe. Tó bá rí pé eléyìí tó dáa, wàá wá work on it, wàá build on it for a self-development. Tó bá ti mọ ara ẹ, ìrìn àjò yẹn ó ti kù kékeré o. Ìrìn àjò towards ìṣerere ó ti kù kékeré. Torí tó bá ti mọ who you are, wàá lè mọ identity ẹ in God, wàá lè mọ purpose ẹ ní life, wàá lè mọ bí gangan torí fẹ́ kó o wà, and that is what I call purpose. Wàá lè work towards your fulfilment. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o.